Milestone Credit Card Review. Hey guys, in this video we're going to review Milestone Credit Card. The Milestone Gold Mastercard is an unsecured credit card designed for people with bad or limited credit history. Milestone offers a straightforward opportunity to build and access credit. It's specifically designed for those with challenging credit histories working to establish a solid financial foundation. It reports to all 3 credit bureaus, helping you build a payment history. Fraud protection in case your card happens to be lost or stolen. Milestone Mastercard provides the benefit you wanted in order to successfully manage and grow your credit. You have 24/7 access to your account so you can track your progress. Your monthly payments are reported to all 3 major credit bureaus, helping you build or improve your credit score. Keeping your cash, no security deposit needed. Your money stays where it belongs, in your pocket. Milestone is the tool you use to achieve it. Whether you want to access credit now or plan ahead for the future, you'll have access to credit when you need it. To create your account, click on the Apply Now button. You can complete the fields below to apply for the Milestone card. Enter your first name, last name, address, city, state, zip code, and email address. Then, add the phone number, date of birth, social security number, total monthly income, and total monthly expenses. Accept the terms and conditions and submit the application. It's easy to qualify for, even with past credit issues. However, the card has high fees, including an annual fee that can be as much as $175 in the first year. The Milestone Credit Card is a helpful tool for rebuilding credit, but it comes with high fees and few perks. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.